Hello guys, welcome to Master G Programming video tutorials. In this video I will teach you about how to use this operator and what is the use of this operator. I will give you the definition first. This operator holds the address of an object. That definition is completed. Now to understand this, I will be using the concept which I have used earlier, passing the values to the constructor. This concept I will use. And before seeing this tutorial, be sure that you have seen the last tutorial, because the concept of multiple classes formation I have used here so that you can be clear with the concept of the last tutorial. So we will be starting with the programming part. You can see it here. I have created a class in a header file that is known as keyword. In this I am creating a constructor which will take an integer value as an argument. I have declared that, and now I will define this in the other file, that is keyword.cpp. This will be held by including the header file that is known as keyword. Now I will define this constructor keyword. To define this, I have to take an argument integer num. Now we will be using another variable m is equals to num. Now integer m, you can see it here. I have defined this m variable here in the private section, so you can access that variable in the other file by including the header file of this class. Now I will create an void show function. That will be definition of the void show function which I have declared in the header file. So to define that function, we have to use void keyword scope resolution operator, then show function. If you don't know the meaning of scope resolution operator, then do see my videos. I have taught you about scope resolution operator earlier. Then cout h is equals to, no, it's m, not h, using m is equals to directly printing the value of m that I will be passing in the main function. Now I will be using the keyword this. First of all, I will be printing the message so that you will be knowing how it will get printed. This hyphen and greater than sign. This is the thing which you can use to point the particular variable through this operator or any other pointer you want. You can use this symbol instead of asterisk sign in the pointer. Now this hyphen greater than sign m, as I have told you earlier, that this operator holds the address of the object. Now another way of printing this m, value of m, is by using this operator is pointer of pointer this. What does this mean is that, first of all, this operator holds the address of the object. So first of all, with the single pointer we will move to this operator address, and now we have to take the value from that particular address that we have reached. So we require another pointer. Now I will creating an object of the keyword class. So to access the keyword class, we have to include the keyword header file. So I have included that header file. You can see it above. Then keyword obj object. Then I have passed 0, 1 in that. So 0, 1 will be get transferred from here to the constructor argument, and from that constructor argument it will goes to the show function, and now we can call this show function through that obj object. Now you can build and run this and you can see the output m equals to 1. This hyphen greater than operator, by using this operator you get 1, and another thing like we have used double asterisk sign and then this operator then dot m, you got the output. So by seeing this I will be explaining one by one. M equals to directly m, so m will get transferred and it could get printed 1. Then comes this operator. By with the help of this operator we reach to the address of that particular object, and the value that is being stored on that particular object will be in the m variable, so you can access that with the help of this operator. And then value at this operator, the simply meaning of asterisk, this means value at this operator. So the both the statement in the last thing is the using the same concept, reaching the this operator, reaching the address of the particular object through this operator, because this operator holds the address of the particular object. And to access the value on that particular object, the thing you have to do is that get the value from that particular object which holds that particular variable. So you can use this operator, and from extracting the value there are two methods. You can see it here. One is with the hyphen and greater than sign, another is with the asterisk use. So that's all from this part. Now the matter comes, there is another way of passing the values to the m. So I will be teaching it right now. So you can remove this m equals to num part. As soon as you define the constructor, in the next line you write scope, single scope resolution operator, m in the bracket, round bracket, that is num, and then empty curly braces. That's all. This directly copies the value to m. By mistake I have written h here, it will give an error. Now you can write it m. Now the num value will be get copied to m, and you can access that value of m in the show function. So this is the another way which you can do, and it will give the same output. There is no problem in that. So that's all from this video. I have taught you about this operator and the use of this operator. Now in the next tutorial I will be teaching you some interesting topic related to C++. So stay tuned with Master G, and if you are new on the Master G, so do subscribe our channel. Thank you.